This is one of the reasons why I like older vehicles. At that time their engines were designed for you to reuse them over and over, no matter what. You can see the piston and sleeves. There's the piston, this is the sleeve, which is also known as piston liner. So once your engine starts smoking or start to short oil, all you need to do is just change these two with the rings. Just remove them, put them back to start running like new engine again. As long as your crankshaft is okay, your camshaft and the engine block. I'm telling you, this is the strength of the engine. This. Unlike now, almost every car, their engines now, they don't have this sleeve or piston liner. So when they eventually wears out, it's basically the engine block. And so even if you put new piston, new rings, you might seal it up a little bit. After a while, some will even have to go far by using oversized rings to be able to occupy the space it has created on the piston, the sleeves. Anyway, so I don't know. I wish they made newer engines like this, but they realized that they are not making much profit. So the engine they produce now is you can't rebuild them to serve you like these older engines. Okay, so just wanted to point that out. This is one of the things you enjoy driving a 404, Peugeot 405, man. Peugeot 504, Peugeot 505. There are a few engines that were made after 504 that had sleeves, like some of the FC engines have this. I think TU engines as well, if I'm not mistaken. Can't remember the exact one, but some of them have this. But from EW engines, ES engines, no more. Even THP engines, no more. You won't be able to get this. So, alright. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.